आमचे सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आमकां जॉइन जातात. तरुण तेजपालाची केस जी परत गोंयाकच न्ही भारतभर गाजिल्ली आनी त्या केसी भितर तरुण तेजपाल एक्वीट जालो. कितें जालें, कित्याक जालें जाणून घेवया. मुकेश, प्लीज टेल अस what happened and why it happened.
Pramod, due to COVID-19 protocol, we journalists were not allowed to go inside the court. But whatever we learned that judge came in the court and just pronounced one line verdict that Tarun Tejpal has been acquitted from all the charges. And later on, we waited till 1 p.m. till the court works to get that if judgment is ready. But court staff told us that internet is down, so it will not be uploaded today. So we have to wait for the detailed judgment that what actually went against the prosecution and whatever the accused Tarun Tejpal. But later on, Tarun Tejpal in his brief statement said that court has truly and sincerely assessed the footage, CCTV footage, in which it can be seen that in the allegation is that Tarun Tejpal committed the offense inside a lift of the hotel. So when CCTV footage, once I got to watch that, it seems that Tarun Tejpal is coming out from the lift and the complainant girl is following him. So Tarun Tejpal is saying that if I have committed some heinous crime, then why should the complainant follow me? So this was the major defense, but still we have to wait till the judgment to come and then we can say that what was the actual position and what was the other evidences, because we are more than 60 witnesses in this case, mostly prosecution witnesses were there. So what, how and why court gave acquittal, we have to see. And the other side, I'm telling you, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant in a press conference has said that state will challenge this acquittal before the High Court, saying that injustice has been committed to a victim girl. So state is fully prepared to challenge this order before the High Court. Pramod.
Mukesh, last time you told me that policemen with van and all were ready when the matter got adjourned. So was that the scene today also, that police were waiting outside the court to take Tarun Tejpal into custody and then he was acquitted?
Yeah, police was there. Anjuna PI was there, MAPSA PI was there, MAPSA traffic PI was there, SDPO MAPSA was there, a huge police personnel were there. It seemed like that they were ready to take Tarun Tejpal into custody. But once it is acquitted, I asked that what is the scene now? So they have said that we were there just for the bandobast, to maintain the law and order. So as we know that there is curfew going on, so there was not rush except media person. Nobody was there.
Yeah.
Some family member of Tarun Tejpal and media persons only were there. So I don't know what was need of that much big bandobast. But let it be. This is the court. This is the justice.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Mukesh. We'll talk more when we get copy of the order.